So my name is Antonia Hagen-Kunrad, and I am the Senior Donor Care Management for United Blood Services in Montana, as well as Inland Northwest Blood Center in Washington. So the word apheresis comes from the Greek and means to take out of. So what we do is we separate the blood into its components. So we can either separate red blood cells or platelets or plasma out from the whole blood that is normally collected. So the instrument that we use uses centrifugation to separate the components. So plasma is the liquid portion of the blood and is separated from the particles that are in there. So the red blood cells, the platelets, the white blood cells, all of that. So every blood type has specific components that are best for them to donate. So the O negative donor has red blood cells that can go to anybody, so they are the universal donor, where the AB negative donor would be the perfect donor for a plasma donation because their plasma can go to anybody, where their red cells can only go to an AB recipient. The blood is only available through donation. The important thing about that is that we need blood before it's really needed. So it has to be on the shelf in order to help in a situation that's an emergency. I give you an example. When 9/11 happened, everybody came out to donate. So people were lined up at every blood center in the nation around the corner and waited for hours. And a lot of that blood was wasted because we had too much, and a lot of the people unfortunately had passed away already, so they didn't really need the transfusion. Every 2 seconds in this country somebody needs a transfusion. Daily there's about 36,000 red cells transfused, about 10,000 platelet products, and 100,000 plasma products in this country alone.
Well, wasn't that great? So as you can see, blood donation is pretty important. And if you're 16 or 17, you can donate with parent permission. So why don't you all get out there and donate? Just be sure not to let anybody tell you that you can contract HIV from donating blood. That's BS. And if you like this video, be sure to check out chemistryislife.com. They post the latest and greatest on everything science. Thank you, and good night.